Welcome to Zoho Flow, your automation hub for connecting apps and streamlining work. When you first open Zoho Flow, this is your landing page. To begin, click Create Flow. Enter a name for your flow, choose the folder where you'd like to save it, add a short description, and click Create. Your new flow canvas opens. Here, you'll see multiple event options like App, Schedule, URL, and Email. These are the types of triggers that can start your workflow. Let's begin by selecting App as our trigger. Search for Zoho Recruit, then select it from the list. Now choose a trigger event. In this case, let's take New Record Created. Click Next to configure the trigger. You'll be prompted to set up a connection, give it a variable name, and select the appropriate module, for example, Candidate Management. Once you've filled in the details, click Done. And that's it. Our trigger is now ready. This means whenever a new candidate record is created in Zoho Recruit, it will automatically initiate the next steps in our flow. In the next part, we'll log these details in Zoho Sheet, send a notification in Zoho Click, and create a folder in Zoho Work Drive, all automatically. Got an idea for a process, product, or business improvement? Share it with us, and we'll map out the next step workflow for execution. Comment or DM us today. We will provide this in 1 hour.